Welcome! In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. So first we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can wake it up by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the sun icon. This is the screen brightness icon, and you can tap on it and it will bring you to this menu. And here by default you will see that the adaptive brightness is enabled, and you can adjust the intensity of this brightness. But at some point it might change because this is the adaptive brightness, so basically the watch will change the brightness level on the screen according to some factors like surrounding light or something like that. And it might change, like I said before, but you can also disable the adaptive brightness and then adjust the brightness, and that brightness will stay at the same level you set it to. So if you don't like the watch changing the brightness automatically, you can disable the adaptive brightness and then set the brightness to something you enjoy, and it will stay at the same level. But if you don't care and you just want to make the adaptive brightness a bit brighter and you don't care that it will lower the brightness at some point, you can just turn on the adaptive brightness and adjust it a bit, and then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And basically that's how you change the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.